We now have two synthetic baskets. One that tells us about AUD strength. One that tells us about USD strength. Two independent signals. But here is the question. How do we combine them into one clear read? The answer is simple. We subtract one from the other. And that gives us a spread. A spread is one of the most fundamental concepts in trading. At its core, it is simply this: the difference between two values. Value A minus value B, one number, positive or negative. That is it. In our case, we take our AUD synthetic basket and we subtract our USD synthetic basket from it. AUD basket minus USD basket. The result is a single line. We call it the synthetic spread. And that single line tells us the net directional bias of AUD-USD at any given moment. Think of it like a tug of war. Two teams on either end of a rope. The AUD basket on one side, the USD basket on the other. The rope starts in the middle. When the AUD team pulls harder, the rope moves toward them. The spread is positive. AUD-USD has upward bias. When the USD team pulls harder, the rope moves toward them. The spread is negative. AUD-USD has downward bias. Now here is something really important, and it is one of those things that is not immediately obvious. Both teams can be moving in the same direction, and the spread can still tell us which side is winning. Imagine both teams are walking forward, both moving in the same direction. But the AUD team is walking faster. The rope is still moving toward them. The spread is still positive. This is what happens in real markets. Both synthetic baskets can be rising at the same time. Both baskets can be falling at the same time. But what matters is not the direction of each basket individually. What matters is the difference between them, the net result. If AUD is rising faster than USD, the spread is positive and AUD-USD has upward bias. If USD is rising faster than AUD, the spread is negative and AUD-USD has downward bias. The spread cuts through the noise and gives us the net picture. And what about when the spread is flat? When both teams are pulling with exactly equal force, the rope does not move. It stays in the middle. Neither side is winning. In market terms, when the synthetic spread is flat, there is no net directional conviction. The two baskets are moving in lockstep. Neither AUD nor USD is dominating the other. And the result is a ranging market. Price moves sideways. No clear trend. No clean directional bias. This is incredibly useful information, because knowing when not to trade is just as valuable as knowing when to trade. A flat spread tells us to wait. The conditions are not there yet. So to bring this together, the synthetic spread is AUD basket minus USD basket. When the spread is rising, AUD is stronger than USD. AUD-USD has upward bias. When the spread is falling, USD is stronger than AUD. AUD-USD has downward bias. When the spread is flat, neither side is winning. The market is ranging. One line, telling us everything we need to know about the net balance of power between two currencies. We are now going to take this exact concept and apply it to something else entirely. Something that operates at a much deeper level in the market. Something that influences currencies in a way that most short-term traders completely overlook. We are going to talk about bonds and yields. What they are, why they matter, and why the spread between two yields is one of the most powerful signals available to a Forex trader. See you in the next chapter.